What's up, survivalists? Jason here. Today I'm going to show off my new and improved fishing pack. And here it is. Before, I actually had a copy of an Alice pack. It's just a very small one, no frame, but the straps were really messed up and I fixed those up from a thrift store. And recently, one of the connectors from the strap to the pack actually broke. It was plastic and it didn't really last that long. So for the meantime, I found out that this pack is awesome for a fishing kit. It holds everything that I need just to go fishing, so I could really just grab this and then go fishing. I don't need to bring a tackle box. I don't really need to grab my poles. If I just want to do a quick little get out, this is the awesome pack that I'm going to show you right now. This is the Osprey Daylight. I won this off a giveaway from Waypoint Outdoor Adventures, and I took a little bit of time to figure out what was inside of this. So let's go ahead and show you what's inside. So here is the pack, the Osprey Daylight. So it originally is a hydration pack, but it still works really well for a fishing kit. On the straps, I added a little pair of pliers and this sheath I actually found from a thrift store inside of an actual tackle box. So a little tight on the sheath. The pliers don't exactly match the sheath on there, but on the side we have these mesh pockets. I have a new Eagle Claw telescopic fishing rod, so I'm going to be testing this out real soon and seeing how well this works out. I won from wish.com for like $9, and the eyelets are actually like coming apart and just sliding against the pole, so that's pretty much useless on that pole. So right here I have a folding Frabel net. So I got a fishing net right there. Only complaint about this one is if you ever get your treble hooks from your fishing lure on top of this and it gets snagged, good luck without trying to cut it. But this is extendable. It's really nice, heavy duty. Has a little tether right here, lanyard. If you accidentally drop it, you got it right there. But you could also attach this to your belt if you needed to and just have it hanging on the side right there. But so far I like it. From this front pocket, a little organization right there. I have some power bait, the nymph natural trout bait right there. Got some Mike's glitter mallow trout bait as well. Got that for sale. And I actually found this on the lake. Really nice. Got a little stringer, poly stringer. On this right here, the pocket, I got a simple little knife that I got from Sportsman Warehouse. It's a Bare Edge 116. Only complaint about this one is the lock back is pretty stiff, so you definitely have to work it a lot, but it is plenty sharp and would definitely get through your fishing line. Right here, got a little tether that holds on to my keys. I like to keep my keys on there just so I don't actually drop it if I have it in my pocket or anything like that. Really nice zipper pulls on these, by the way, so quick access. You can see these organizers fit perfectly in there. A cheap little plastic craft organizer that I put my soft plastics inside of. Just a simple little paddle tail, a lot of the worm stuff. Gotta make sure this doesn't fly out, but you can see all the stuff I got right there. Even my homemade fishing lure. And I'll leave a link description down below so you can check that video out of how I made that. Next, I have my official hard baits and lures right here in a Frabel little organizer. This is really nice. A little bit of waterproof, hopefully, and plus it stops the rust from the little hooks that has on here. But you can see the selection that I have right here. Some of these I actually found on a lake shore. So I actually found a few of these. This is a Z-Ray. Had to put a new hook on it, but it's pretty much brand new. I have just a little spinner right there. And last but not least, a Frabel spinner. Had to put a new hook on there as well, but that is really nice find right there. Have a bunch of just a small rooster tails. I got a Sonic rooster tail that I got from a thrift store. Bunch of hooks, sinkers right there. Got a frog, popper. There's a deep diver. I actually found this on the lake shore as well. So this is a Bagley, and it has a little propeller on the back. So really nice find. Got some bobbers, and that's pretty much it on the lure selection. Next, I got a forget me stick for the fish that won't cooperate. Just kidding, but it's to humanely and quickly get them dispatched. And finally, actually, nope, there's one more thing, other one. So I got some snowed hooks right there. And now, family, I got this amazing pocket chair right there, as seen on TV. So I actually found this from a thrift store as well. So really nice to have something to sit on real quick if I needed to, and if I was setting up some hooks or some type of bait, really nice to have something to sit on. So there's the kit. The one thing I know for sure I'm going to add to this kit is some type of fishing line. But one thing I definitely want to do is make some type of stationary contraption to hold the spool while I'm reeling it in to fill up the actual reel. Also, let me know what other type of gear should I put into this kit as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.